What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. If you stuck around yesterday, you know we told you to watch the leveraged ETF space. And boy, did it deliver today. We're talking about a stock that just got halted while up over 22%. Semiconductor shorts absolutely crushing it with $SOXS up 15%. And a perfect storm in the gold leverage space. But here's the kicker. While some of you are celebrating those gains, there's absolute carnage on the flip side with some leveraged plays down 27%. Today's July 3rd, 2026. And we're breaking down every single mover that matters. Let's go. Alright, so here's the macro picture for today. We're looking at a market that is heavily rotated into leveraged products and inverse plays. Why? Because the S&P 500 just posted its fifth straight weekly loss. That's a significant technical breakdown. Traders are hedging. They're taking tactical positions. And they're doing it through ETFs. We saw massive volume across the board today. Some of the most active stocks on the entire market were leveraged semiconductor plays and gold instruments. The tone is cautious with a tactical edge. Volatility is elevated, which means opportunity, but also risk. This is exactly the kind of environment where you need to pay attention to every move. Let's break down who won and who got absolutely hammered. Some of these moves are insane. Number 1. AVXX. Up 22.4%. Trading at $9.10 with 2.5 million shares in volume. Here's the thing though. This stock is halted. When you see a halt during a massive move like this, it's typically a news catalyst that's huge enough that the market needs to pause and digest it. Unfortunately, we don't have the specific news details yet, but halts combined with 22% moves usually signal either in a $10 as the next critical level. Number 2. IREZ. Up 18.1% to $10.58 with absolutely massive volume at 7.3 million shares. This is a leveraged ETF that's benefiting from whatever the underlying asset is doing in a big way. The news is pulling from best performing leveraged ETFs of last week. This tells us $IREZ has been on a hot streak and today it continued. These leveraged plays amplify moves. So when the underlying trend's hard, you could see $12 pretty quickly. Number 3. SOXS. This is the big one. Up 15.1% to $4.44 with massive volume. We're talking 930 million shares. This is an inverse leveraged semiconductor ETF, which means it's short semiconductors and it's leveraged 3x. For this to be up 15%, that means the semiconductor sector got absolutely crushed today. The news mentions semiconductor ETFs now dominate the most traded list, and direction pulls back. $4.10 becomes support. Number 4. GDXU. Up 13.7% to $96.40 with 2.9 million shares in volume. This is a 3x leveraged long gold ETF. Which means gold had an absolutely stellar day. The news talks about leveraged gold picks that can turn small moves into big gains. And that's exactly what happened. When gold rallies 4 to 5% intraday, a 3x leverage play will give you that 13 to 15% move. This is flight to safety BU. NG at $105, $110 in the short term. Number 5. BEZ. Up 11.5% to $13.55 with 1.6 million shares. This is Beazley, a London-listed insurance company. The narrative shift mentioned in the news suggests that after the Zurich news or announcement, there's optimism brewing around this name. Insurance companies can have massive swings on single catalyst days. Key level. $13.55 is resistance. Support comes in around $12.50. If this breaks above R, the losers show absolute panic. Number 1. $SNDU. Down 27.5%. Trading at $38.89 with 6.3 million shares in volume. This is a 2x leveraged short SanDisk ETF. For this to be down 27%, that means SanDisk rallied hard. The news mentions REX shares launches T-REX 2x PAYAS and 2x SNDKTFs. This is a new product launch. But $SNDU being down this much means whoever was short SanDisk got absolutely liquidated today. This is what AVXX below $35 and you could see $30. Number 2. $SNXX. Down 26.8% to $24.51 with massive volume at 93 million shares. This is also a leveraged inverse play on semiconductors. But it's getting crushed. The news shows best performing leveraged ETFs of last week. Meaning $SNXX was probably a winner last week, but today it's completely reversing. This is classic mean reversion. The semiconductor sector bounced hard today, which means all I becomes the next critical level. Number 3. $IREZ. Down 19.0% to $9.52 with 705K shares. This is a leveraged inverse real estate play. Real estate rallied today, which killed this short. This again confirms the theme. Mean reversion is happening across the board. Key level. $9.52 is weak support. Break below and watch $8.50. Number 4. $TSLL. Down 14.6% to $12.38 with 98 million shares in volume. This is a 3x long Tesla lay. Port. Break below and watch $8.50. Number 4. $TSLL. Down 14.6% to $12.38 with 98 million shares in volume. This is a 3x long Tesla leveraged ETF. Wait. If this is long Tesla and it's down 14.6%, that means Tesla had an absolutely terrible day, dropping maybe 4 to 5% on the underlying. The news mentions a new SpaceX ETF launching and questions about single stock ETF proliferation. This suggests there might be profit taking below and $11.50 becomes critical. Number 5. $GDXD. Down 13.4% to $44.45 with 832K shares. This is a 3x leveraged short gold ETF. Wait. We just saw $GDXU up 13.7%. 3x long gold. So this makes perfect sense. Gold rallied. So long gold wins and short gold loses. For traders holding both as a hedge. This is exactly what you'd expect. Key level. $44.45 is weak support. $40 becomes the next critical level. The losers tell a cruci. Here's what I'm watching for tomorrow and the rest of this week. FIRST. $AVXX. That halt needs to resolve. And when it does, we need to see the news catalyst if it's a legitimate story. This could have significantly more upside. If it's nothing, this could reverse hard. Set an alert and don't miss the reopening. SECOND. The semiconductor space. $SOXS was up 15%. Which means we got a major reversal in the semiconductor sector. Is this the start of a new downtrend for semis? Or was this just profit taking? Watch $SMH and $SOXS. If they hold today's lows, we could see another down day. If they bounce, semis might be forming a bottom. THIRD. Gold. Both $GDXU and the broader gold trend are looking strong. If we're seeing flight to safety, that $96.40 level on $GDX, you could see a breakout. Watch $GLD and $GDXJ tomorrow. FOURTH. Tesla and the single stock ETF trend. $TSLL getting hit raises questions. Are investors rotating out of leveraged single stock bets? Or was this just a single day pullback? Watch the volume on $TSLL tomorrow. If it explodes higher, we could see a reversal. If volume stays low on a bounce, that's a bearish sign. FIFTH. Insurance plays like $BED. If the Zurich narrative continues to shift positive, we could see more gains. Watch for news and earnings catalysts. The key takeaway. Tomorrow we're looking for mean reversion signals. Did today's move sustain? Or are we seeing reversals? Pay attention to volume on any bounces. That's your tell. Every single day after market close, we break down the top gainers and losers so you never miss a major move that could impact your portfolio or your trading strategy. Whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor, these daily recaps give you the context, the catalysts, and the key levels you need to make informed decisions. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified the moment we publish. Tomorrow we'll be covering a brand new set of movers with fresh opportunities and fresh risks. You do not want to miss it. See you then. If you want even deeper analysis on these stocks, including detailed technical charts, options setups, and longer-term thesis discussions, head over to tdvw.com. That's where we publish our premium research and long-form content. New subscribers get access to our market guides and educational library. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I'll see you in tomorrow's market recap.